Welcome back to the Senior Living Experience Senior Seminar Series YouTube channel. My name is Shelby Reed and I am one of the co-founders here at the Senior Living Experience. And today's topic is I just want to do a quick touching base on the coronavirus and where we're at with our moves. And it's been a little while since we talked about the coronavirus here on the webinar series, and so I just wanted to make sure we talked about this. So by the time this video plays, it will be the 1st of September. So 1st of September 2020, we are going back into school. Some of our schools here locally in the St. Louis area are virtual. Actually, most of our public schools here are virtual, and there are a handful of private schools that are open or are doing some hybrid method of open or virtual. So really what I wanted to get past or wanted to convey today is that we are seeing a lot of positive activity and a lot of positive happenings and doings surrounding our moves and the seniors we're working with. And our moves are increasing. We're seeing people feel more comfortable with making this transition right now. With all the new safety precautions that communities are making, as well as our team regarding face masks, social distancing, hand sanitizing, we're really seeing these things work. And therefore, we're able to conduct a move very safely and not put anyone in harm's way. So it's just something I'm very, very excited about, because while the coronavirus is still out there, we're hoping for a vaccine here or a solid treatment, I guess I should say, in the next, they're saying in the next few months, which would be wonderful. However, until then, I really wanted to take this time to ease some fears and let you know, if you are a senior or you have a loved one that you're considering a move to senior living, we are still doing moves, and Mike and Dan on our real estate side are still actively selling homes. The market is very much a seller's market right now. So when we do meet with residents who are considering a move and have a home to sell, we're really encouraging them to do it now versus later. Just given such a strong seller's market, we're seeing really high sales prices that we just weren't seeing prior, or very competitive terms in the offer. So I hope everyone is doing well, and thank you so much for continuing to check in on our weekly webinar and seminar series. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out directly to me, or you can reach out to our team via the website. My email is shelbyr@seniorlivingexp.com, and our main email is just the info@seniorlivingexp.com. You can always reach out to either one of those. Also, check out the book we have on our website that's co-authored by myself and one of our other co-founders, Rob Hyder. It's a great resource and is still very much applicable right now, even with everything going on with the coronavirus. So hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see everyone next week for our next video. Take care.